My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension from Google Chrome, which is called Breaking News. Breaking News is a new unwanted browser extension. The developers of it indicate that by installing the extension you would be able to actually find the breaking news through this extension. But in reality, this particular extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the great portion of intrusive ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly installed, you need to undertake the measures and remove it. Access the menu, more tools, then extensions. So disable and remove this third-party extension if you find it. Finally, we recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.